So in the previous class, we have discussed like fractions, comparison of like fractions. Yes or no? Now
Yes,
let
sir.
us discuss addition and subtraction of like fractions. See this question, my dear children. Simplify 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. If you observe here, we are adding two fractions. Yes or no? First fraction is 7 by 3 and the second fraction is 5 by 3. And moreover, if you observe, these two fractions are like fractions because denominators are same. Yes or no, my children? These two fractions are like fractions. Now, 7 by 3 plus 5 by 3. In the case of like fractions, it is easy to add and subtract the like fractions. Simply, first we write this line, we draw a line, and in the denominator part, we write the denominator as it is. Whatever the denominators are there, here 3 is there in this case. Yes or no? 3 is a denominator, here also 3 is a denominator. So we write the denominator as it is. And come to the numerator. In the numerator, we write the first numerator as it is. Okay. Plus, what is the symbol? What is the sign between these two fractions? Plus. Yes or no? So 7 plus, we write the second numerator as it is. So in the numerator, we got 7 plus 5. In the denominator, we have already written 3. Understood these steps, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
what will you get in the numerator?
12.
Yes, 12. In the numerator, 7 plus 5, we get 12. We write the denominator as it is. We don't disturb the denominator. We write the denominator as it is. Now we strike out cancellation. We cancel the numerator and the denominator by the same table. So by 3 table, we are cancelling the numerator and denominator. 3 1 times and 3 4 times. That is equal to 4. In the denominator, we got 1. Previously, I told you, if you get 1 in the denominator, no need to write it separately as a denominator. Got this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Every time you should write every time a fraction in its simplest form. Means we should cancel the numerator and denominator by a table. Okay, please remember this point. Every time we should write a fraction in the simplest form. Do you remember that point, my children? What is meant by simplest form of a fraction? What is meant by simplest form of a fraction? Simplest form of a fraction. Do you remember? Eileen, Sujana, Anmol, Shanti? Mahima, Bibina,
Sir,
Krish.
they are simplified, sir.
What is meant by a fraction in the simplest form? What is meant by a
Sir,
fraction?
that number in its smallest form.
Uh, Another meaning. Simplest form means numerator and denominator has one as common factor. Except one, they have no other common factor. For numerator and denominator, they have one and only one common factor, that is 1. Other than 1, they don't have common factors. In that case, the fraction is said to be in its simplest form. Okay, my children. So here, the denominator 1. For 1 and 4, if you write the factors for 1 and 4, for numerator and denominator, if you write the factors, there is only 1 is a common factor. Except 1, there is no common factors for these two numbers. So in this case, we say that here, this fraction is in the simplest form. Let us take another example. Simplify 3 by 13 by 7 plus 7 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7. I have taken here 4 like fractions. Yes or no? If you observe all these fractions, denominators are same. Yes or no, my children?
Yes, sir.
And moreover, we are adding all these like fractions. In the case of like fractions, very easy to add like fractions. So I will add these like fractions. 13 by 7 plus 7 by 7 plus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 7. What is the first step? First we have to draw this line. First we have to draw this line. Okay. In the denominator, what should we write? In the denominator, what should we write here? Janesh, tell me. Can you tell me? What should we write here? In the denominator, Janesh?
7.
Very good. 7. In all these denominators, 7 is same denominator. So in the denominator part, we write 7. Now come to the numerator. Can you tell me, Jesslyn, in the numerator, what will you write here? In the numerator, Jesslyn, can you tell me? In the numerator,
Sir, can I?
just wait, my dear Bibina, just wait. Can you tell me, Jesslyn? Jesslyn,
Subtraction.
wait, Darshan, wait for some time. Jesslyn, will you try? Can you hear me? Jesslyn? Can you hear me, my dear Jesslyn? Okay, my dear Bibina, tell me. She is not answering. She is not responding. I will remove her.
Sir,
I will remove her from the class. Jesslyn, you are not responding. What is the use of attending the class? My dear Jesslyn, countdown starts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there is a problem in your mic or speakers. All are responding properly. They are responding well. See here, Bibina, Sridarshan, all are responding properly. They are responding well. There is a problem in your device. Okay, my dear Jesslyn. Once get it repaired. There is a problem in your speakers. Okay, my dear Bibina, tell me.
Sir, I'm telling the answer, sir.
Tell me, Bibina, tell me what
Sir,
should
it
be.
is 24.
Don't say the answer directly. Step by step. Let us go the answer step by step in detail. Okay. What should be written in the numerator?
Sir, 24.
Okay,
I mean
24.
13, sir.
13.
7. So 13 plus 7 plus
13
3
plus
plus
7
1.
plus 3 plus 1.
Yes. 13 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1. This is the numerator part. Now we simplify these numbers. We add all these numbers. Then what will you get here?
Sir, 24.
24 by 7. 24 by 7. Now, is it possible to cancel the numerator and denominator by any
Yes.
table?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which table is possible?
A 7 table.
So
Yes,
7
7.
tables.
By 7 table, can we divide numerator and denominator? Can we cancel the numerator and denominator? Don't take separate tables to
Sir, we
cancel.
can't separate, sir.
So
We
we
can't
can't.
divide.
We can't just take the tables separately. For numerator one table, for denominator one table. You should take the same table to cancel the numerator and denominator. Can you take any table?
7.
Can you take any table to cancel the numerator and denominator in this case?
No, sir.
No,
We
sir.
can't. Ah, yes, very good. We can't take any table to cancel the numerator and the denominator. So here in this case, we say that 24 by 7 is in the simplest form. 24 by 7 is said to be in the simplest form. If you write the common factors, 1 and only 1 is a common factor. There is no other factors as common. Except 1, there is no common factors for these two numbers, numerator and denominator. That is why this fraction is said to be in the simplest form. Got this point, my children?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now,
Yes.
come to the subtraction. Just we discussed here addition of like fractions. Now, we will discuss here subtraction. Subtracting a like fraction from another like fraction. See here, my children, this example subtraction of a fraction from its like fraction. 10 by 7 minus 2 by 7. Are these two fractions like fractions or not?
Yes, sir. They are like fractions.
Sir, it is
Yes,
like fraction.
they are like fractions. These two fractions are said to be like fractions. And moreover, we are doing here subtraction, not addition. Okay. So in the case of subtraction also, we draw line like this. First step, we draw line like this. And in the denominator, we write that denominator as it is 7. This is the second step. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
Now come to the numerator part. What will you get in the numerator? Just we write these two numbers as it is. We write these two numbers. We write these two numerators as it is. In between, we keep minus sign. Okay. So 10 10 minus 2. First number minus second number. First numerator minus second numerator. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Then let us simplify the numerator. What will you get here? 10 minus 2. What will you get here? The numerator, my dear Krish. Can you tell me? What will you get here, numerator? In the numerator, what will you get here, my dear Krish? Are you there online, Krish?
Yes, sir.
The numerator, what will you get here? What will you get? Some audio problem is there, my dear Krish? Tell me, Krish, what will you get in the numerator? Srujana, can you tell me? Srujana, can you tell me what will you get in the numerator? 10 minus 2, 8 by, we write the denominator as 8 by 7. Okay, 8 by 7. Here this fraction is also in the simplest form because there is no common factor for numerator and denominator except 1. Okay, my children. Similarly, let us take another example. Five by 9 minus 19 by 9. Can you solve this one, Princeton? Can you simplify these two numbers, Princeton? Princeton? Can you simplify these two numbers? $14. Only 14 is the answer, my dear Princeton. 14 is the answer. Only 14 is the answer, my dear Princeton. What is the answer, Princeton? Not 14 by 9. Please observe the numerator carefully, my dear children. What you will get here? First we draw this line. We write the denominator as it is. Because these two fractions are like fractions, so we write the same denominator. And in the numerator, what will you get here? 5 minus 19. Yes, my dear Srujana. Very good, Srujana. Srujana told correct answer. Princeton, 5 minus 19. What will you get? 14 or minus 14? Smaller number minus bigger number. What will you get here, my dear Princeton, in the numerator? What will you get, my dear Princeton? Minus 14 or plus 14? Yes, minus 14 by 9. Got this point, my dear Princeton? Got this one? You should be, yes, you should be very careful. We should be very careful in computing the numbers, in calculating, in adding, in subtracting, in multiplying, in dividing. You should be very careful. Okay, my children. Now let us take another example.
Sir, show the last page, sir.
What, my dear Krish? What, my dear Krish? Do you want to say anything, my dear Krish? Do you want to say something, my dear Krish? See, I will post this page in the form of PDF in the Google Classroom as I'm posting every day. Are you finding that PDF formats in the Google Classroom, my dear Krish? Are you finding the classwork notes in the Google Classroom? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Today also, I will post this page. I will post this page in the form of PDF in the Google Classroom. Okay, right. Now let us take another example. And moreover, I am posting the classwork notes very clearly. Page number 1, page number 2. At the top side, right side top corner, I am rounding off number 1 like this here. Here I am rounding off page numbers clearly, and I kept that pages in the proper order, not in a zigzag way. I arranged the papers, I arranged the pages in a proper order. After that only I'm converting them into PDF and I'm posting that PDF in the Google Classroom. There is no confusion. You don't get any confusion. Simply you have to copy that classwork notes. Okay, my dear children. I arranged the pages. I arranged the PDF format in a proper order. After that only I'm posting that PDF in the Google Classroom. Just your job is find that attachment, find that PDF in the Google Classroom and copy it continuously. Okay. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Who will do this question? Just raise your hand, my dear children. Who will do this question? Who will explain? Yes, Bibina, only Bibina, every time Bibina only. What about other children? What about other children? Nikita, can you do this question? Nikita? Yes, okay, Shanti also raised. Shanti also replied for the previous question. Okay, Anmol, can you? Not Srujana, Srujana not. Anmol, let us give the chance to Anmol. Not Bibina. Just wait, Bibina. Anmol, can you tell me? Can you do this question, Anmol?
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Step
Sir,
by
5
step.
by 13 minus 5 by 13.
Tell me step by step. First we draw line. After that, what is the next step? In the denominator, which number should be written in the denominator?
Sir, 13.
13. Very good.
Sir, 13.
In the denominator, we write the 13. That is the second step. Next, what is the third step in the
Sir, minus
numerator?
10 plus 5.
Minus 10 plus 5. In the numerator, we got minus 10 plus 5. Simplify these two numbers, minus 10 plus 5. If you observe, these are two integers.
Sir, 5
minus
by
10.
13.
Huh?
Minus 5 by 13.
Yes, very good, Anmol. Very good. minus 5
Thank
by
you, sir.
30. Okay, my dear children, understood this one? How to
Yes, sir.
how to add and how to subtract like fractions. In the case of like fractions, addition and subtraction is very easy. Only simply we add numerators and we simply subtract the numerators in the case of like fractions. Now let us discuss about unlike fractions. In the case of unlike fractions, how can you compare two unlike fractions? How can you add unlike fractions? How can you subtract unlike fractions? Okay. See here, my dear children, I have taken two fractions, 5 by 2. Here, second fraction is 2 by 5. Can you compare these fractions easily, my dear children? Can you tell me which fraction is bigger fraction and which fraction is a smaller fraction? Can you tell me?
Sir, 5 by 2 is the bigger fraction.
5 by 2. How did you say this one is a bigger fraction? Bibina, can you tell me? How can you tell 5 by 2 is a bigger fraction and 2 by 5 is a smaller fraction?
Sir, we cannot tell, no, sir.
Tell me, Shanti, can you tell me?
Sir, actually we need to find LCM.
Very
The
good.
denominator should be same.
We should make the denominators equal. First of all, in the case of unlike fractions, it is not easy. It is not easy to compare two fractions. We cannot say easily which fraction is a bigger fraction and which fraction is a smaller fraction. In that case, first of all, we have to make the given fractions as like fractions. It means we have to make the denominators same. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
First of all, we have to convert. We have to write the given unlike fractions as like fractions. We have to convert them. For that, we have to take the LCM for the denominators. For that, first step is we have to take the LCM of denominators. What are the denominators here? What
Sir,
are
2 and 5.
2 and 5. Take LCM of 2 and 5. What is the LCM of 2 and 5?
So 10.
Sir, 10,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, very good. Srujana and Bibina, very good. 2 into 5. This is the LCM of these two numbers. Previously, we have discussed how to find LCM of the numbers. Do you remember that point, my dear children? Finding LCM of the numbers. We use that previous knowledge here, how to find LCM of the numbers. So here we got LCM 10. Okay, so we have to make these two denominators as 10. Okay, my dear children. So for that, we write this first fraction as 5 by 2 in the numerator. We extend this line. We extend this line and we keep here into symbol. Okay, in the numerator and in the denominator. We follow the same steps in the case of second fraction. We write the second fraction also 2 by 5. 2 by 5, and we extend this line. Are you watching this screen, my dear children?
Yes, sir.
We extend this line. After that, in the numerator and in the denominator, we keep into symbol. Okay. Now come to the denominator. Here 2 into some number. 2 into some number is equal to 10. What should we find? What should be written here? What should be written here?
So 5.
Yes, 5. To get this number, to get this LCM, we should multiply this number by 5. So we write the same number in the numerator and in the denominator. Whatever the number you are writing in the denominator, we should write the same number in the numerator. Got this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, we follow the same steps here. Here 5 into in the denominator, 5 into some number should be equal to 10. Which number should be written here?
2, sir.
2.
Yes. So in the numerator as well as in the denominator, we write the same number. Whatever the number you are writing in the denominator, we should write the same number in the numerator also. Got this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let us write the first fraction. What do you get in the first fraction in the numerator? In the numerator, what will you get in the first fraction?
Sir, 25.
25 by what is the denominator? 10. Now come to the second fraction. What is the numerator in the second fraction?
Sir, 4.
2 2s are 4. 4 by what is the denominator?
Sir, 10.
10. Now see this step, my children. If you observe these two fractions, are they like fractions or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, is it easy to compare these two fractions or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is why we converted these unlike fractions. We converted these unlike fractions into the like fractions to compare them easily. Then we can easily compare 25. The numerator 25 is bigger number. Here 4 is a smaller number. So here we keep here 25 is greater than 4. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we can continue this same symbol in the reverse order. So this like this. 5 by 2. Finally, we get to 5 by 2 is greater than 2 by 5. We continue the same symbol backwards. In between the two fractions, we keep the same symbol backwards. Got this point, my children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us take another example. One by 10, comma 10 by 3. How to compare? How can you?
Sir, LCM.
Yes, LCM. First of all, we have to find LCM of the denominators. Okay. What is the LCM of?
Sir, 21.
So 3 into 7, that is 21. 3 sevens are 21. So as we followed the steps for the previous example, we follow the same steps here also. First we write the first fraction and we extend this line. Okay. Similarly, we write the second fraction. We extend this line. Now in the denominator only, we concentrate, we focus on denominator only. 7 into some number should get a LCM. Which number should be written here?
Sir,
So 3. In the denominator, we are writing here 3. The same number should be written in the numerator also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, come to the second fraction, 10 by 3. But we focus on denominator only, not in the numerator. Please remember this point, my children. 3 into some number should get to 21. Which number should be written here?
Sir, 7.
7. So in the denominator, I am writing 7. In the numerator, what should be written after into symbol?
Sir, 7.
Same number. Same number, 7. Okay, my children. That is equal to, let us simplify the first fraction. In the first fraction, what will you get in the numerator?
Sir, 3.
3 by, what is the denominator in the first fraction?
Sir, 21.
21.
21. Now come to the second fraction. What is the numerator?
Sir,
What will you get?
70.
70 by, what will you get in the denominator?
So 21.
21. In this step, in this stage, if you observe these two fractions, they are like fractions. Yes or no, my children? They are like fractions or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir, they are like fractions.
Yes, they are like fractions. Then we can easily compare them. Now tell me which fraction is a bigger number, which fraction
Sir,
is smaller?
70.
70 is a bigger and 3 is a smaller. Yes or no? So 3 is a smaller. So we keep less than symbol. 3 is less than 70. So we keep this symbol. We keep this symbol sign backwards in between these two fractions. So finally we can say that 1 by 7 is less than 10 by 3. Okay, my children, got this point?
Yes, sir.
So we follow the same steps in the case of addition also. In the case of addition of unlike fractions and subtraction of two unlike fractions. First of all, we have to find LCM of the denominators and we write the numerator part. We will discuss these points in the next class. How to add unlike fractions and how to subtract unlike fractions. Okay, my children.
Okay, sir.
Now the time is 4 past 13 minutes. Only 2 minutes are left. Now you can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. I will post this classwork notes in the Google Classroom. Please find it in the Google Classroom and write it and submit. I will create assignment in the Google Classroom to write this classwork notes. I create assignment page in the Google Classroom. Okay, my dear children.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh,
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Now you can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear
Thank you,
children.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, Bibina.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Nikita. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes, my dear. Shanti, tell me what's your doubt?
sir, for yesterday you posted a PDF, sir. In
Ah,
that division, the sign till the sign table you have given, sir, and then some problems you worked it out, no, sir, for division of integers. Those problems are not there, sir.
okay, I will check and I will post that also. I will check
Yes, sir.
and
Division of integers, you have given the sign table.
just
Uh,
I stopped by that table only yesterday. I did not extend that one. Yesterday, just I have given division of timetable, sign table. That's all. I stopped
okay,
by
sir. So you
yesterday.
didn't work out problems, right?
I did not give any worked out problems on that concept, on that topic.
Okay, sir. So then we
Today,
don't have to write anything, no, sir.
Whatever the classwork notes I posted in the Google Classroom, just to copy that notes. That's all.
Okay, sir.
If you want to work out some other extra sums, you can work out. You can do some other questions also.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.